Hi dearest, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to be showing you Fascinator bases. I'm of the opinion that instead of reinventing the wheel, you work with the wheel that has already been invented to get what you want. What do I mean by this? If a client has given you or designed to do and there is already a ready-made Fascinator base, why not take that ready-made Fascinator base and build upon it? To me, that also saves you time. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section below. So today I'm going to be showing you some Fascinator base that I saw in Aliexpress. Remember our previous video, I sent you Fascinator bases from Amazon. So this one, if you check the description, you can click on them and you can place your orders. They are from Aliexpress and I have 12 of them just for you. I didn't put the names here because the names that they put on the Aliexpress links are wonderful. Like this, it's saying, some are saying they're cinnamon, but looking at them, they are paper mats. So you really have to examine them properly to know whether they are what you know. If you look at them, you know whether they are paper mat, they are cinnamon, or they have been covered. So just take note of that and don't really look at what the name says. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up and move a step forward and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and the bell so you get notified of all my new upcoming tutorials. Check this next video.